Okay, class. Today we will take a test on Australia.
Great. Not a test on Australia. I don't want to take a test on Australia. I got to do something to stop this test from happening. But how? I know. I'm going to pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. But first, I will ask my teacher if I can go to the bathroom. Excuse me, Miss Beth. Can I use the bathroom?
Okay, Dark Wrench Koopa. But make it quick. You and everyone in this classroom has a test to take. So be back in 5 minutes.
Ha. That dumb teacher thinks I'm in the bathroom. Now it's my chance to pull the fire alarm so that way I can put an end to the stupid test. There it is. The fire alarm. Now to pull it and put an end to the stupid test. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2.
Hey! Stop it right there. Dark Wrench Koopa. What do you think you're doing?
I was just going to the bathroom.
Liar. It seems to me that you were trying to pull the fire alarm. That's it, mister. Come with me to my office. You're in big trouble.
Oh crap. I'm so screwed.
Dark Wrench Koopa. How dare you try to pull the fire alarm? Why did you try to do that?
Well, Principal Dave, I didn't want to take the test on Australia in class today, so I decided to stop the test from happening by pulling the fire alarm. That's why I tried to do it.
Dark Wrench Koopa. You do realize that pulling the fire alarm without reason or a stupid reason is illegal, right? Well, you could have been arrested if I didn't stop you from pulling the fire alarm. But since I stopped you from doing it, you'd better be lucky that I'm not calling the cops. But the next time I catch you trying to pull the fire alarm, then I'm calling the cops. Do you understand?
Yes, Principal Dave. I understand.
Good. Besides, we only use the fire alarm for fire drills. And for trying to pull the fire alarm, you will be suspended for 3 weeks. Go home now.
Dark Wrench Koopa. I can't believe that you tried to pull the fire alarm at school today. You know that doing that kind of action can get you arrested. You better be lucky that you're not in jail, since your principal stopped you from pulling the fire alarm. But still, for trying to pull the fire alarm at school today, you're grounded for 3 weeks. Now go to your room right now, and I will tell your mom about this when she gets home.
Wow.